In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Mozilla Firefox web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty quick tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to begin by opening up the Firefox web browser if it's not currently open. And now you want to go up to the top right corner and left click on the menu icon. Currently it's just 3 horizontal lines. Once you're on this screen, you want to go down and left click on the help option near the bottom. And now select troubleshooting information from this list. It should be in about the middle selection here. Once you're on a page, it looks like this. Left click on where it says refresh Firefox underneath give Firefox a tune-up. So left click on that. You're going to get a little pop-up here saying start fresh to fix problems and restore performance. This will remove your add-ons and customizations and will restore your browser settings to their defaults. Left click on refresh Firefox here. This will begin refreshing your web browser, and just give it a couple moments to run, and please be patient. And once it's done, you should get a little import complete wizard there. You probably won't need to do anything because it'll disappear before you even have a chance to click on OK or finish. There will be an output folder of your old files on your desktop. For most people, this really doesn't mean too much, and there's really not that much you can get from that. At least most people would not really understand what it meant, so you'd probably be okay. But just keep in mind this will clear everything I mentioned in this video. And you can delete this folder from the desktop if you choose to do so once you've refreshed the web browser. And you should be good to go. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.